So basically what's happening is this produces a ray of electricity, so it produces it from here back here in the tube, and right here is it's a conductor. So it creates it's a ray of electricity. It's basically like lightning in there. And then when you see it from the front, if none of these were connected, it would just be a little dot, right? And then right here, all these coils of wire, this is the vertical and the horizontal. So what we're doing is we're throwing alternating current, or the signal from our voice or guitar into this, and it creates a magnetic pool, and it pulls that white light that you see in the center of the screen. So our voice, which does, you know, positive and negative, that pulls that electricity, and that's what you see as the jumps in the lightning on the TV. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hook up the guitar to this thing. Yeah. So we just disconnected the input from the horizontal. So now we're gonna connect the horizontal, and we're gonna see. Then you get that right there. Yeah. You always use your chopstick when you're poking around in there.
Power cord.
Power cord. Here, I'll take it. Is that some like dentist office jazz? It's always good to get the dentist office jazz. Yeah, that'd be great if it just exploded. Alright. It's not fuzz. Alright, so hopefully we got the vertical line. Oh fuck, it's fucking horizontal. Alright, that's cool. I got a couple more.
I spent all my hands in the weight room. But when you change your side, does it repay for you? And when you see my face, will you raise your hand? I've been dying all my life, don't you understand? Hey, hey, disco ball, do you still got rhythm? Yeah, you said that's how. But come on now, kid, tell me when you gonna hit 'em. You like it like that, you're a man of the hour. Come on down and see.
Alright, so here we go. We've got the vertical yoke. Alright. Boom, right there. Always use one hand if you're going in there. You're not sure yourself, just use one hand, alright? Use one hand. Alright. So, I'm gonna do the front. Let's do these guys right here. Yeah. Now trusty tool bag, you got some solid here. Get the solid there. Yeah, Jim. Oh yeah, Jim. Thought you said just use one hand. What you got going on here? You're using two hands. Alright, get in there. You wanna see that melt? All that. It's good to put your nostrils right over the solder so you inhale all that good solder, all the good minerals from the soldering gun. There's a lot of good minerals you get out of the solder.
Oh, yeah.
See those minerals on there? That's the Holy Spirit. Alright, here we go now.
You started begging fast when I heard the call. I slid down my boots, I shuffled right out that door, just for you. Now I started searching out the afternoon. You wrote me a letter and I opened it up down here by this empty swimming pool. Back home the grass is high, they hope that I'm having fun. Yeah, I called from the 815, but I'm up here now in the 701. When I heard a while, I heard the parlor cry.
Now it's falling asleep. Here we go.
Beautiful.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. It's a beautiful, nice line. Okay, we have a beautiful, nice line here. All right. Now let's do. All right, now let's plug the 7. Let's put in the Burlington set tape. All right. Yeah. Damn, it's like blue too. Nice. That's sick.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, do you have that footage of me doing
The donuts?
yeah.
Yeah. Nice, dude. Oh.
Man, that looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It is. Can I see?
Yeah.
Is this still recording?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
And I come back at all, it must mean something. I was showing on TV. I was showing on TV. I thought I'd find you. Did not come back at all. Must mean something. I was showing on TV. I was showing on TV. I thought I'd see you. And I made 5 trips to that man in the chair. I saw him sitting there.
How's that look right there? Do I look guapo right there? Do I look muy guapo?
Oh, St. Curtis. St. Curtis, bro.
That's beautiful.
Sick, right? How do we make this stop?
Wow.
How do you make this thing stop here? Am I recording?
I think so. It says on the top right.
Oh yeah, look at that. I am recording. Yeah. What does that say? What does that say right there? Oh, that's the Burlington set right there. That's the Burlington set.